Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We are studying mathematics for class 12 and it's chapter number 2, which is differentiation. Today is our lesson number 20. In this lesson, we will solve the remaining questions of exercise 2.3. Question number 14. This is the question, but in your reduced syllabus, smart syllabus, this question is not included in the present FSC part 2 class. So you can see this question and try to understand the question if you want, but I will not discuss this question because this is not in your present smart syllabus. Now this is question number 15, which is very important for your examination point of view because this question is not included in your smart syllabus. So I will not discuss this question here. If you want to solve this question, so look at the solution and try to understand. Question number 16 is also very important for your examination point of view. This question is, you are given this function. We suppose that y is equal to, it is given that y is equal to square root of x minus 1 over square root of x. We can write this expression like this: x to the power 1 over 2 minus x to the power minus 1 over 2. So differentiating this with respect to x, we get dy over dx and derivative of this function. We will use power rule on this function. We will bring power down. We will reduce one power of x. Then this is minus, and when this minus sign, we will bring this minus sign down. So this will become plus 1 over 2 and x to the power minus 3 by 2. When you will reduce one power, so we will get minus 3 by 2. Now, because we are asked to prove that 2x dy over dx plus y is equal to this is to be proved. This is given to us that if y is equal to this, then prove that 2x dy over dx plus y is equal to 2 square root of x. This is the answer which is also given. So multiply, this is dy over dx, because what we need to prove in that expression, dy over dx is multiplied by 2x. So multiply both sides of this by 2x dy over dx, and when we will multiply this by 2x, so we will get x to the power 1 over 2. Multiplying 2x with this, 2 will be cancelled with this, and x to the power 1 and minus 1 over 2 will give you plus 1 over 2, and then plus x to the power minus 1 over 2 when you will multiply this by 2x. Now in the expression which we need to prove, plus y is also there with dy over dx. So in this expression we will add y to both the sides. Dx 2x dy over dx plus y is equal to x to the power 1 over 2 plus x to the power minus 1 over 2 plus y. Now here the value of y is given to us here, this one. So we will replace this y by this value. So plus x to the power 1 over 2 minus x to the power minus 1 over 2, since y is this. 2x dy over dx plus y is equal to, now look at this, minus x to the power minus 1 over 2 and plus x to the power minus 1 over 2 are cancelled, and we are left with 2x to the power 1 over x. And this x to the power 1 over 2, sorry, this is 1 over 2, can be written as 2x dy over dx plus y is equal to 2 square root of x. We were asked to prove this. This was given and you are asked to prove this. So to prove this, we have written this expression in this way. Then differentiating both sides, we get this. Multiplying both sides by 2x, we get this. And adding y on both sides, we get this. After putting the value of y which is given in the question here, so simplifying, we get this expression, and this can be written in this form, which is our question number 16. Question number 17 is also very important. This is given, y is equal to x to the power 4 plus 2xk plus 2, and you are asked to show that or prove that dy over dx is equal to 4x square root of y minus 1. This is also given in the question that if y is equal to this, then show that dy over dx is equal to 4x square root of y minus 1. So to prove this, we will differentiate both the sides by with respect to x. dy over dx and derivative of this is equal to पावर नीचे आ जाएगी 4x टू पावर 1 कम हो जाएगी, इसमें से 2 कॉमन आ गया और इसकी 2 बाहर आ गया और इसकी एक पावर 2 नीचे आई और एक पावर कम हो गई और ये कांस्टेंट फंक्शन है तो इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 हो गया. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विद 4x टू पावर 3 प्लस 2 टू 4x dy ओवर dx इज इक्वल टू दिस. अब देखें इसमें dy ओवर dx आ गया जो हमने प्रूव करना है और 4x भी आ गया जो हमें प्रूव करना है, लेकिन x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 की जगह पे यहाँ पे जो हमने प्रूव करना है उसमें स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ y माइनस 1 है. तो लेट्स पुट दिस एज अ 1. नाउ we will start from here. We will find the value of x square plus 1. Y is equal to x4 plus 2x square plus 1. Subtracting 1 on both the sides, y minus 1, because we need y minus 1. We get x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 2 and minus 1. So x4 plus 2x to the power 4 plus 1. Now this is the square of, this is a perfect square and this is the square of x square plus 1 whole square. So y minus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 whole square. Taking square root of this and this, we get y minus square root of y minus 1 and x square plus 1. This square is cancelled with square root and we can write x square plus 1 is equal to square root of y minus y. So in this equation we are able to find the value of x square plus 1 which is equal to square root of y minus 1. So हम इस equation number 1 में इस को पुट कर देंगे, यूज कर लेंगे, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 को हम इससे रिप्लेस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा डी वाई ओवर डी एक्स 4x एज इट इज और एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 की वैल्यू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ y माइनस 1. So this was to be proved. So this completes our exercise 2.3. This is my profile. Practice makes knowledge perfect. So keep doing practice. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.